Hey guys, can I help you?
No, I don't know what. I'll go away with it. Yes, please.
Alright, cool.
Good man. Thank you. So rich.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, and smile, guys. One more. A little bit closer. 3, 2, 1. Give me some love there. Alright. By the way,
Very much.
thank you. By the way, I'm a photographer and I'm doing my vlog tonight for Happy Valentine's Day edition.
Okay.
Is it alright? You're gonna take a photo?
Of course it is, yes.
Alright, cool. And I'll give you my number. I will give you my contacts now. Alright, here we go.
Thank you.
There you go. 3, 2, 1. Look here, sir. 3, 2, 1. One more. Like that. Look at here, guys. Both of you. Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. And one more. Can you? Sorry, guys. Are you in a hurry?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right. Can we move a little bit, please? So what you're gonna do? You're looking that side, both of you, and your arms are gonna be at the back. Yeah, there you go. That's it. There we go. Excuse me, ma'am. Can you look at here, please? And look at that side, sir. Yeah. You look at there, and look at here, ma'am. There we go. Lovely. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. Whisper to him, please. Wow, amazing. There you go. Thank you so much. You might gonna need my services soon. Yeah. Somebody hacked my Instagram, so you can check in my YouTube channel. Yeah, cheers. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.
You too.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, sorry. If you don't mind, can I take a photo?
Of course.
Yeah, all right, cool.
Yeah.
I'm a photographer. I'm doing my vlog, so
Yeah.
Valentine's Day edition. Is that all right with you guys?
Yeah.
Are you in a hurry or not?
What?
Are you in a hurry?
No.
All right, cool. Cheers.
Where do we want us?
Can you sit there, please?
Sit.
Yeah, please. Both of you guys.
Yes.
Yeah. It's Valentine's Day though. Show me your love. There you go. Just talk to each other, please. Bit closer, bit closer. There you go. Excuse me, yeah, can you do your hair, please? There you go. Alright guys, can we move that place, please? You can contact me, everyone, like Facebook and my YouTube channel. It's a nice place in there.
Yeah. On holiday to visit.
Okay. Since when you're here? Last week or this
We came
Sunday?
Sunday.
How was your vacation here in London? So what you're gonna do?
Yeah.
Follow my post, please. You're gonna do like this, and then you. Can you do like this to him? Can you closer, please? Yeah. So now you can get this background here. So we got the Shard, London Bridge, and Tower Bridge. We got everything here. It's a perfect place, though. Also, we're gonna do this like freestyle. It's up to you. All right, cool.
Yes.
Cheers. Here we go. A little bit closer, please. There you go. Love that. Nice. Holding hands, please.
Of course.
And at the same time, can you make some conversation, please?
Yes.
All right, cool. Yeah. I love that natural smile. I mean, like this. Look at her, and then you look at the camera, please. Yeah, that's it. Another one. Sweet. You wanna see it?
Yeah, I'd like to see some of them.
Amazing.
They're very good. Very good pictures.
Look at that, guys. What?
It's amazing.
Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna do like this. It's a little bit awkward though.
You can't take something like this.
Yeah, I know. That's what I noticed with both of you guys. He's the one who's into photos. He's a little bit shy. All right, here we go. So can you do it like this, please? Yep, that's it. Nice. And look at that side. Don't look at the camera. Look at her, and then you look at the side, man, please. What's your name, guys, please? So that I will not call you ma'am. So is that supposed to be called like that here? So here.
I'm Julia.
Julia and
Sebastian.
Sebastian. All right, cool. Sorry guys, can you move this side, please? Perfect.
Yeah.
There you go. Can you do it, please? Right, perfect. Can you, Julia? Can you move closer to Sebastian, please? A little bit more. Yes. One more. 3, 2, 1. Let me see. Let me see. Ooh.
Very good.
3, 2, 1. Both of you guys look at here, please. One more. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, couple. So when are you going back to Denmark? Friday. Have a safe journey. Enjoy your day.
Have a nice day.
Nice, nice. You need some help? Yeah. Alright, cool. Sorry. Sorry guys, I'm a photographer, making vlog, taking portraits of strangers. It's a Happy Valentine's Day edition. It's free, don't worry. So alright with you? Alright, cool. Alright, you can check my Facebook and my YouTube channel. Can
No.
It's free. There. That one there. Yeah.
Okay.
And this is my Facebook. You can check my. I'll post this tomorrow. So I'm gonna edit this tonight. For a moment, can you put that one first?
Yes.
You can just put it here because someone is passing by here. Has to be safe. And don't worry, I will take some photos with your phones later on.
Okay.
All right. So, sorry guys. What's your name, sir?
David.
David and
Joanna.
Joanna. Nice meeting you. So David, wait. Can you do like this, David? Like this, and then while Diana.
Joanna.
Joanna. While Joanna is holding your shoulder. Are you here in London or are you just having a holiday?
London.
Alright, cool. There you go. Can you move closer, Joanna, please? Can you do your hair like this, please? The other side. No. The other side. Sorry. Thank you, David. Thank you, David. So it's like you're into photography, David. Alright, and hold the shoulder of David, please, and your left hand hold that one, that side. Yeah, cool, nice. Look at this other. Move closer, please. Show me some love, guys. Come on. It's a Valentine's Day. 3, 2, 1. Can you put your hand in your pocket?
Okay.
That's nice, Joanna. Perfect. Lovely. Close your eyes. Feel the kiss of David. 3, 2, 1. I'm David. Can you do like this, please? To Joanna. Not me. Alright. Made me laugh. it's raining. I can take a photo from your phones. Three, two, one. Show me some love. Give you keys. There you go. So have a lovely day. Nice meeting you guys. David, Joanna, thank you. Yes, thanks, sir. Bye, cheers. Have a good day. Hello.
Yeah.
Is that alright with you to take photos?
No, we're all right.
Whatever. I'm a photographer. But you're gonna need my services soon. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Do you need some help, guys? By the way, I'm a photographer.
Yeah.
I'm doing a vlog today for Happy Valentine's Day edition. Is that alright with you? Can I take your photos?
What's up?
Is that alright with you, guys? Don't worry, it's free. You don't need to pay. Is that alright with you?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, cool. You live here in London?
No, in Liverpool.
Liverpool. You're just having a date today. Sorry for disturbing your date. What's your name, sir?
Yanis?
Yanis? And? Natasa. Yanis and Natasa. And Natasa, can you put your right hand, sorry it's raining now. Can you put your right hand there? Yep. And your left hand at the chest of Yanis. Yeah. Cool. Can you do it again, please? No. Yep. There we go. There we go. Yanis, can you move closer to? Yep, that's it. Wow. Three, two, one. Wow. Amazing. Can we go this side? Just 2 photos and then we can go. So, Yanis, can you sit here like this, please?
Yeah.
Yep, and you, ma'am. Like this, here. I know you're into photos. Look at that. She knows how to pose that. There we go. 3, 2, 1, stay right there. Yeah. It's gonna be last 2 shots. You're gonna sit here. Yeah, you're gonna lean on Yanis. No, your feet's gonna be like this. That side. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Look at here, Yanis, please. Both of you. 3, 2, 1. You look at here. Yanis will look at there. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Last one. Stay right there. Last one. No, stay right there. That's nice. Amazing.
So, you're gonna like on Instagram tomorrow, right?
No, someone hacked my Instagram. That's why I crossed it. Yeah. I'm so pissed off that day. But you can check my Facebook and YouTube. Yeah.
Oh, can you take us a photo?
Of course.
Well,
There's a lot of people there. Much better here. There you go. Yeah, stay on the side. All right, one more, guys, please. Wait. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
See you soon. Bye, you too. Oh my God, it's raining. Let's go home. Oh, that's nice. Amazing. See you next time.